Why is sex such a bad word? Urvashi Rautela themed parties.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Films and the kind of content we produce, especially with Netflix and other Hollywood content that is coming out, things are now much better.
Yeah, there is representation. Representation matters. And I think that after a point क्या होता है ना कि आप भी कितना ही वही वो आप एंजॉय करना बंद कर देंगे.
सही है.
You know, so if it's one toned, one layered, unless you have layers to it, to a character, आप अब एक कैरेक्टर को देख रहे हैं, वो सेम चीज़ 20 साल के लिए कर रहा है, सेम, या एक एक्टर एक ही मतलब एक ही टाइप की फिल्में कर रहा है.
हमारे तो सारे बड़े स्टार्स वही कर रहे हैं, एक ही टाइप की फिल्में 30 साल से.
You know, but you can see the generation is not going to the theaters.
That's true.
And therefore OTT has offered. आप मेरे को कह रहे हैं कि शिफाली शाह मैम जैसी एक्ट्रेस अभी बनी है.
बड़ा वो टेलीविजन के ज़माने से हैं. I've seen her shows like.
So
yeah.
she has stood the test of time. Rasika Duggal.
Brilliant.
If anyone asks me for my favorite actors, I take their names. You know, छाया ताई, छाया कदम.
हाँ.
वो अभी उनको ये फेम मिला है ना, क्योंकि कैन पे उनका ये था.
एक्ट्रेस ही क्यों? एक्टर कौन है फेवरेट?
एक्टर इज नवाजुद्दीन, पंकज सर, पंकज त्रिपाठी.
अच्छा, मतलब मैंने एक्टर पूछ लिया. ऐसे कोई नहीं जिस पे क्रश वश होता है कि आ रहा क्यूटी?
Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Huh?
I think because he's probably the only one who's taller than me and has real hair.
Are you on Raya?
No. What is that?
It's a celebrity dating app.
No,
and
no,
apparently,
I'm not interested.
Apparently, Urvashi Rautela, who's the youngest, most intelligent, most.
I kind of enjoy her.
I love her too. WD.
I love her.
So she has told.
She's
that,
in her own.
Yeah.
I'll tell you one thing.
So 8 minutes. She's on
नहीं, but
Raya,
पहले
and
I
Aditya Roy
want
Kapoor is
this
on
is an
Raya.
Urvashi Rautela stan talking to you, because there are Urvashi Rautela themed parties.
Are you serious?
Yes. And I feel that, honestly, I'm saying this, but I did not know this movie Maharaj.
Daku Maharaj.
Whatever the fuck it was. I've not watched it. But I knew it because of Urvashi.
Yeah.
I knew it exists because of Urvashi.
That's true.
They should thank her. Rather than जो खिलियाँ उड़ा रहे हैं ना, या फिर मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं उसकी, they should thank her.
But they deleted her scenes.
I don't know whether that's true.
Yeah, that is.
It was also maybe a PR gimmick.
No. They हैं? Oh, great.
होनी चाहिए. I think she's hilarious.
So, anyways, why do dodge the question
and she's
of,
pretty.
Listen, you dodge the question of wanting to meet Aditya Roy Kapoor on Raya, maybe?
I don't know. Is he there?
Yeah, that's what she
But
said.
why? I've met him at events, and that's fine. No?
Can you ever?
I'm very old school. I'd rather
You
you
want
see
the
me in
the person
person.
you are.
I'd rather not the photo being photoshopped and stuff. You see me, I see you. I'll check whether hair is like real and stuff. You know, because
You
when-
meet the person and you're like.
no, once I was I was on a date, and then couple of dates later, we got intimate, and you know, his hair was in my hand, like literally. I can't do this. I was like, not because I've dated bald guys, and I think bald guys are amazingly handsome. It's nothing to do with you being bald or whatever, but at least give me a warning, na?
कि निकलने वाला.
Yeah. Now it's coming out, like, you know, and not like the other, I'm coming. But this is coming out. I was shocked. I was like, I screamed. I screamed. I mean, yeah.
It was Johnny Sins, it was
you'd
Johnny
rather,
Screams.
so you'd rather कि मैं आपको मिलूं आपसे, मतलब वो गुफ्तगू ऐसी हो कि बाद में हमें शौक ना मिले. You know, so yeah.
Are you a very believer in love, romance kind of person, or you're like कि नहीं है प्यार वैसा?
हाँ, but yeah. मुझे, but for a very long time, and I think I might still be like that. I think a lot of people are. I think मुझे किसी की आंखें पसंद है, मुझे किसी के मतलब नाक पसंद है, किसी की फिजिक पसंद आती है, किसी की पर्सनालिटी, इंटेलिजेंस मुझे पसंद आती है, बट
सबका एक साथ नहीं पसंद आता.
हाँ नहीं, बट सबका एक साथ हो भी नहीं सकता. अनरियलिस्टिक. ऑल्सो व्हाट एम आई ऑफरिंग? यू नो, हैव आई आस्क्ड दैट व्हाट इज हिज प्रेफरेंस? एम आई मीटिंग हिज एक्सपेक्टेशंस? ये जो ड्रीम फैंटेसी लैंड में हम लोग डिल्यूलू सुल्यूलू कर रहे हैं,
Yeah.
बट इन दैट हाउ मच एम आई living up to his expectation out of a partner.
But isn't Delulu the only Salulu?
No, it's not.
No? Tell me something. Is there any dream of
I mean,
yours?
if I feel you're not going to give me a good orgasm, you can get the fuck out of the door. I'm not wasting my time.
Is that the
Yeah, we have कितनी दिवालियां बाकी है हमारी? मैं कितनी 35. I see it like that. मेरी 25-30 दिवालियां बाकी है. मैं तेरे पे बर्बाद नहीं करूंगी. निकल. It's like that. 30, only 30. 30 I'm saying if I get to 50, 60, 55, whatever. 30, 65.
But who said that you have to only do it on Diwali?
No, but I'm just saying that I don't want to spend my Diwali with
there's
you.
364 days
You're
more.
not understanding.
I understood.
In those 364 days, I'll have many orgasms. But my thing is that I'm saying I only have 35 Diwalis left, or 30 Diwalis, Holies, 30 Navratris. I'm not spending it on thinking about you.
Actually, it's a brilliant thing that you said, because most people shy away from saying that physical intimacy बहुत बड़ा.
Yeah, for me it is.
Yeah, I mean, like how can
Why? मैंने थोड़ी ब्रह्मचारी कबूल की है.
Yeah.
I am. So there is nothing wrong in saying this.
It's not, and I'm
In fact, people should normalize sex education but of course we are just having it in loose conversation. लोगों को ये जो safe sex की practices हैं, I had worked with NACO and
What is NACO, sorry?
on their AIDS campaign with the Municipal Corporation of Mumbai, and also the government. I have worked many times on how drug abuse is correlated with sex abuse and unsafe sex practices, and all of these things. So you
Sex!
हाँ.
Yeah, and it should be like that. It should be zor se.
Yeah.
Can't be
What
like,
you're thinking I'm saying.
It should be zor se also. It can't be like.
Yeah. It could be also. Sometimes
that's
that
not-
sex is also nice.
No, that's like sex.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, it's like
how
sex.
to get I did a podcast just now with Abhay, and we were talking about sex. It was the Durex podcast, and I mean, come on, like we have to understand that we don't want to talk about sex, but we're still one of the most populated countries, so people are having it.
Yeah, but then our idea of learning about sex is
but porn.
Porn, Brazers, X videos,
Porn.
Pornhub. I've been consuming a lot of
But
it.
मुझे लगता है कि यही तो गलती है, because कहाँ से सीखेंगे नहीं तो?
Johnny Sins.
I don't know.
I need to send you some good.
I don't know whether I want to watch it.
Oh, yeah, Bald Man.
Okay.
But a good one at it. He's
Yeah.
even worked with Ranveer Singh, yeah.
I don't know, but
No, not like
good,
that.
Good for them.
No, not like that.
Good
but like
for
he's
them.
working in an ad with them.
Great for them.
Okay, a tangential question, because this is podcast. Before we go
But
to
I still don't want
aliens-
to watch that porn.
Trust me, it's not that bad.